The following demonstration involves the handling of actual liquefied natural gas, commonly referred to as LNG. Simply put, LNG is natural gas that has been turned into liquid form by cooling it to approximately -260 degrees Fahrenheit. The purpose of this demonstration is to first show why this supercooling process is employed, and that when natural gas is turned into liquid, it is one of the safest and most environmentally friendly sources of energy to transport. And furthermore, that LNG is an extremely clean energy source. It is odorless, colorless, non-corrosive, and non-toxic. Besides safety, another reason natural gas is liquefied is that when it is cooled and condenses to a liquid, its volume is reduced by a factor of 600, meaning LNG uses 1/600th of the space required for the same weight of gas. Liquefying makes transporting gas by ships an extremely cost-effective way to deliver the product. It is important to note that in the actual process of loading, transporting, unloading, and storage of LNG, it is always safely contained in specially designed tanks and ships and is never under high pressure. For over 35 years, ConocoPhillips has safely manufactured and transported LNG. Here, however, LNG is exposed to demonstrate that in the unlikely event of a spill, it would not cause any consequential ecological damage, pollution, or harm to humans and wildlife. How can this be stated with confidence? Because, first of all, LNG will not mix with water. Neither will many other petroleum products, but here's the major difference. When liquefied natural gas is poured into water, it does not mix with nor remain in the water. When exposed, LNG literally evaporates. Incidentally, what you hear is simply the rapid vaporization of the LNG, which is a harmless action. So, not only is LNG lighter than water, but LNG vapor, which is natural gas, is lighter than air. Therefore, if an accidental spill or emission should occur, either on land or water, the entire volume of LNG would disappear, no cleanup or remediation necessary. The process of turning LNG back into natural gas is simply a matter of warming the LNG. Here it's doing just that by being exposed to room temperature. What may appear to be smoke is actually water vapor. The natural gas vapor is colorless, and even if it remains unignited, will completely evaporate. It is significant to know that evaporated LNG does not pollute the air, and furthermore leaves no residue in water or on land. In fact, when natural gas burns, it creates carbon dioxide and water vapor, the very same substances emitted when humans exhale, making natural gas the cleanest of all fossil fuels. Natural gas, which is now used every day by millions of people around the world, is a viable solution to meeting the growing energy demands of the future. And liquefying natural gas prior to its transportation is not only crucial to meeting future demands, but is most importantly a safe and proven method of delivery. At ConocoPhillips, we are committed to the continued safe delivery of LNG to homes and businesses around the globe.